Hello everyone, I am Fox, and I'm going to show you how to get 1.12.2 on if you have 1.16.4, because there's some mods that people like but they can't get. So this is the mod I have. I have it in this version and it actually works. I'll show you guys in like a minute, but what you're gonna have to do is that you're gonna have to go to Forge Minecraft and you have to download this one, and on this side you just have to press installer, and then it will download and then you click it, yada yada yada. Don't mind this because it doesn't like have a bug in it, because if it did I really wouldn't be showing you guys this. So after that, done with that, you can go to CurseForge, look up mods for that certain version of Minecraft. So you can go here, go all the way down. Oh wait, I meant to press not that. Oh, it loaded anyways. I mean, yeah, of course it would load. So you're gonna press that. You're gonna look for ones you want. Then you can like look for, of course, I got this one, I got the DecoCraft mod, and let me tell you something, if you have mods for 1.16.4 downloaded and in your mods folder, you have to remove them. And like you can keep them and put them in a different folder like I did right here. So I would still have them if I ever wanted to go back to 1.16.4, which I might not for a while. And then in the mods that you have for 1.12.2, you can put them in your mods folder. And this is the only version of mods that you'll have in your mods folder, because if you keep the 1.16.4 in the mods folder while you have the 1.12.2, you'll crash and or you'll lag. I haven't tried it with it inside, like in the mods folder with the 1.16.4 and the 1.12.2. I haven't tried it because, like, of course I don't like wanna have my screen, like, well, my computer, the laptop crash. So that's all. And you know, like, if you know how to download it, and you with this you can always, like, you have it downloaded, you can always go back up here. But I am staying with 1.12.2 for a long time. I have this, I don't really remember why, but that is the end of this. Hope you guys like, and if you guys need anything else, like for help and stuff, I just put in the comments. I'm not that good at this stuff, but like I'm pretty decent at learning stuff pretty quickly with technology. So I'll see you guys next time, and I'm gonna like do a little video of a series, like a high school one or like a village one. I don't really know yet, and I'm still trying to figure out dialogue. So see you guys in the next video.